Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to join a broadcast channel on Instagram, which is a new feature that allows users to connect and engage with their favorite creators in a more direct way. This feature is designed to enhance communication and provide exclusive content. Let's go through the steps together. First, open your Instagram app and ensure you're logged in into your account. Let's go to Instagram and open it. Once you're on your home feed, look for the direct messages icon in the top right corner, represented by the paper airplane icon. Tap on it to access your messages. Now, to find a broadcast channel, you can either check your inbox for any notification from creators you follow or directly to their profile. If you have a specific creator in mind, tap on their profile picture or search for their name in the search bar. For example, I'm gonna search for Cristiano Ronaldo. Once you're on their profile, look for a Join Broadcast Channel button. This button will be visible if they have an active broadcast channel. Tap on this button and you'll receive a prompt to confirm your choice to join. I'm gonna click to the next to the name that says Cristiano 7.9 members. And there we go. I joined I joined Cristiano Ronaldo's broadcasting channel. After you join, you'll be able to receive updates, announcements, and exclusive content from that creator. Broadcast channels are designed to allow creators to share messages, photos, and videos directly with their audience, making it a great way to stay connected. It's important to note that while you can view content in the broadcast channel, you won't be able to reply direct to messages as this feature is meant for one-way communication from the creator to their follower. However, you can react to posts and some channels may have additional interactive features like polls or Q&As. If you ever wish to leave a broadcast channel, you can do so easily. Simply go back to the channel, tap on the information icon at the top right corner, and select Leave Channel. This will remove you from the broadcast list and you won't receive any further notification or updates from that channel. That's it. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial on how to join a broadcast channel on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel for more tips and updates. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.